Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Practice Daily. Today, we have a beautiful English story that takes place in a restaurant. After the story, we'll practice many useful questions and answers to improve your English speaking, listening, and comprehension. Let's begin. A special night at Blue Maple Restaurant. It was a calm Saturday evening at Blue Maple Restaurant, a small but lovely place in the heart of the city. Soft jazz music floated through the air, and warm golden lights made every table glow softly. The restaurant was almost full, and the smell of fresh pasta and grilled chicken made the atmosphere even more welcoming. Emma, a friendly young waitress, was checking the reservation list at the front desk. Suddenly, the door opened, and Daniel, a shy young man, walked in. He looked a little nervous and held a small gift bag in his hand. "Good evening. Do you have a reservation?" Emma asked with a warm smile. Daniel nodded shyly. "Yes. Table for two, under the name Daniel Hill?" Daniel guided him to a cozy table near the window. The city lights sparkled like tiny stars. Daniel sat down, placed the gift bag on the table, and checked his watch. He was waiting for someone special. A few minutes later, the door opened again. A young woman with long brown hair entered. Her name was Sophia. She looked around until she saw Daniel waving shyly. She smiled and walked toward him. "You made it," Daniel said, relieved. "Of course," Sophia replied. "This place is beautiful." They ordered their food. Daniel chose pasta with creamy mushroom sauce, and Sophia ordered grilled salmon with vegetables. While waiting, they talked about their week, their hobbies, and their favorite movies. Slowly, Daniel became more relaxed. He joked, laughed, and Sophia enjoyed every moment. When their food arrived, it looked amazing. The pasta was rich and creamy, and the salmon smelled delicious. After dinner, Daniel picked up the small gift bag and handed it to Sophia. "This is for you," he said softly. Sophia opened it and found a silver bracelet inside. Her eyes widened. "Daniel, it's beautiful!" Daniel smiled. "I'm happy you like it." The night continued with warm conversation and gentle music. When they left, the moon was shining brightly. Both of them knew this evening was something they would remember for a long time. Questions and answers. Now let's practice English. I'll ask questions. Pause the video and try to answer before I tell you the correct answer. Part 1. Easy questions. What is the name of the restaurant? Blue Maple Restaurant. What music was playing? Soft jazz music. What was Daniel holding? A small gift bag. Who was checking the reservation list? Emma, the waitress. Was Daniel alone? No, he was waiting for Sophia. Part 2. More easy questions. What day was it? Saturday evening. Did Daniel have a reservation? Yes, he did. Where did Emma seat Daniel? At a cozy table near the window. What food did Daniel order? Pasta with creamy mushroom sauce. What food did Sophia order? Grilled salmon with vegetables. Part 3. Medium-level questions. Why was Daniel checking his watch? Because he was waiting for Sophia. What did Daniel and Sophia talk about? Their week, hobbies, and their favorite movies. How did Daniel feel during the conversation? He became more relaxed and confident. What was inside the gift bag? A silver bracelet. How did Sophia react to the gift? She was surprised and happy. Part 4. Advanced open-ended questions. Please answer for these questions in the comments. What do you think Daniel brought a gift? What makes a restaurant romantic or special? Do you think this was their first date? Why? What kind of restaurant atmosphere do you prefer? What would you do if you were the waitress? End. Great job! You practiced listening, speaking, and comprehension with a beautiful restaurant story. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, subscribe, and write your answers in the comments. Thanks for watching English Practice Daily. See you in the next video. Goodbye.